比较快的那个是吧？
是，可是你去到 island 就是比较远，比较靠近机场的那个，
那我怎么
比较没有那么晒 ，maybe。The room's not ready until 5, so we are chilling here, eating cut fruits from home. This is the garden cafe. I think this is where we'll be having our breakfast tomorrow. First time at Golden Sands Resort, Penang. It's very crowded because of the long weekend. Adult only area of the pool. So it's more quiet than the other sections, full of kids. By the pool there's this area where people can chill on the grass. Good hotel room number. Wow. To a sea view room. This is the washroom. Just discovered a Murphy bed in the room. To this, it's a birthday cake and also a bowl of fruits.
It is our pleasure to have you with us, and we are excited to share that you have been selected as our special guest for this day. Wishing you a wonderful and enjoyable stay. Warm regards, Rajit.
Okay,
One more.
there's another card. Is it for me?
Oh, smart. You didn't address to anyone.
Oh. Happy birthday!
Yeah, to you.
Oh, appreciate it so highly. And Rajit. We are walking outside of the hotel and it really feels like Thailand or Bali.
Yeah.
It's been so long since I've been to Roadtrip. 可是不能驾车啦，太晒了。Our dinner place is Long Beach. Penang 福建面。
福建虾面啊。
好像很不错。炒粿条、Keryn, this is their signature grilled fish, but we don't know what fish it is. We cannot recognize it.
点这个好不？
Walk. We are having drinks here. Hello, 2%. There's some roasted corn and cocktails. Oh, now we're gonna play a game to decide who's gonna buy a round of shots.你这是很大个的。OK。
要吃那个 power up。
Congrats!
Yay.
Congrats! They have a cake corner as well. Ah, chocolate milk. Not really good on camera. I'm chilling on the balcony. It's around 10 a.m. If you like to chill on the balcony, it may be worthwhile requesting for a room left side of the building. Because if you see on the right side of the building, balconies get direct morning sun, so it may be too hot. But my balcony is in the shade and it's perfectly comfortable to lounge around here. Heading out to my birthday dinner. I'm gonna get Grab because the traffic is very bad. Traffic going up to Butterfree is not great. There's a bar section at the back. This place is really pretty. And the kitchen is at the back.
espresso liquor，先要叠起来，水先蒸着先，给它冷一点，冷成一半先。Drink 的话，我们这边是用 homemade 的 mascarpone。下一点的巧克力包。OK，生日快乐哈！
谢谢，谢谢。
还有吃的时候不可以吸到哈。
So we just visited the hidden bar. It's called the Dark Chamber. The YardHouse is a restaurant. And it's really nice. I really enjoyed the experience. Then we walk past this door. And there's a name card outside. Magazine 63. Wonder if it's another hidden bar. 没有，你看那个灯在下面，你看那个门下面。We just checked that it is a hidden bar, so let's go. Hello. 哎呦，很多只 ！Oh my goodness.
不是在前面。
Night stroll in Georgetown.
Are we actor? You pay for that. €40 on this.
gonna try the Penang laksa.
It's not convincing at all.
No, it's not my usual preference. I usually go for like sweeter ones.
You can smell the laksa.
It's very spicy.
Wow. It's interesting though. Nice food though.
This is ABC Fizz and it's a dessert drink.
Nice. 还有 peanut butter. Really taste like ice kacang.
We just got home and there's another happy birthday cake. There's another birthday card. Thank you so much.
So cute.
Because the resort is too crowded, they say the beachside restaurant also hosts the morning buffet, so we're heading there. Morning, love.
Morning.
Good. So this is our breakfast view. Let's eat. Having a walk on water event. So cute. Bye-bye. Where? Oh, my husband! I found him!
Local Chinese.
My husband!